Hi friends, today we are going to solve a problem statement called delete a node from linked list in data structures. So the basic problem statement is given here is that we need to delete a node at a given position in a linked list and return a reference to the head node. The head node is at position 0. The list may be empty after you delete the node. In the case, return a null value. So this is our problem statement. First we will initialize a variable and assign our list there as we are doing already. If position, let's try it in this way. Let's see the mistake that we have done. Wrong answer. Oh, the mistake that I have done is that it should be outside the loop. Yeah, so this problem statement passed successfully. So here there is also a mistake. We have not taken the condition in which we have to delete the 0th element in the linked list. So that statement is not done. We'll submit the code, and I guess few statements, yeah, in one statement there is an error. Before solving this, let me explain you what I have done. So basically I have at first initialize a variable, curve variable, and assigned a ll list inside that, and we are looping it till position -1, and all the elements we are adding to that curve variable. Once we have reached that curve, once we have reached the position, means once we have reached the position in the link in the list which element should be removed, what we are doing that instead of for cur.next, instead of writing cur.next, we are skipping that and adding the next value in that list. So this is the basic idea. That's why all these statements have been passing. And but for here the only error is that what if there is a condition in which it remove the first element in the linked list. So for that we could write another, we could write an if loop. If position equal to 0, list equal to cur dot next, return we are returning ll list. So basically instead of assigning the entire list, we are just skipping the first element, and from the next element in the linked list we are assigning that to our ll list variable. So let's run this code. And let's see if it works in this way. Okay, it should be a list. Basically, here we are, instead of assigning values, we are, I think, assigning pointers, so that's the reason it is working properly. But in Python I'm not very sure how to assign pointers, because in Python there isn't a concept of pointer in reality, so maybe they are mimicking it in some way, but still not sure. So this is the basic code that you have to write. In the first step, we are just skipping the first element and returning the entire list, means when position is 0. For all the other cases, we are looping it from 0th position to the position -1, the element which should be removed. We are adding those to our code variable or to our linked list, and after that we are skipping one step. And appending all the rest values to our linked list. So this is the basic idea, and that's the code for you. So thanks for watching, and as I always keep on reminding you, please send me your comments, send me your feedback, so that I could improve on these videos. I'm still learning, I'm not a teacher. I'm still learning how to explain codes. Basically I'm more of a geek or a nerd rather than a teacher who is explaining the code, but it's fun to actually to write codes, probably because it's really fun. So send me your feedbacks, try to join the Discord channel, and please send me any feedback, not only regarding this video, but regarding any videos or any problem statement that you are facing issues to solve in. Maybe we could solve it together. So that's the basic idea. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.